In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an Elementor template effectively and efficiently. Elementor is a powerful tool that allows for seamless web design, giving you the flexibility to create stunning web pages without any coding expertise. If you're looking to personalize your site with tailored templates, you're in the right place. First, let's jump right into navigating to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, look for Templates on the sidebar menu. Clicking on Templates will bring up a submenu, and you'll want to select Saved Templates from there. This is where you can see all the templates you've previously saved. Now, to edit a template, find the one you want to work on and hover over its name. You'll notice a few options appear, including Edit with Elementor. Go ahead and click on that, and it will open up the Elementor editor interface. If you're unfamiliar with this layout, don't worry, it's designed to be intuitive. On the left, you'll see the Elementor panel filled with widgets and settings. Once you're in, you'll see the exact template layout as it would appear on a live page. This visual representation helps you get better alignment with your design vision. You can now select individual widgets by hovering over them and clicking. Each selection will open options in the left panel for editing text, replacing images, adjusting styles, and more. Take your time to explore these settings as they're where the magic happens, allowing you to refine the template exactly to your needs. If you want to change the structure of the template, drag and drop widgets from the left panel into your layout. Whether it's adding new sections, columns, or any particular widget, this versatility is one of Elementor's significant strengths. When placing new widgets, you'll notice a blue highlight indicating where it will be placed. This ensures precision and clarity in your design process. Don't forget to save your work frequently. The Update button, located in the bottom panel of the editor, is your best friend, safeguarding your progress. Additionally, if you want to see how these edits will feel in real time, make use of the Preview Changes button. It provides a sneak peek into the live version without needing to publish immediately. During this process, if there are elements you don't need, you can easily remove them by selecting the widget and either clicking the right mouse button to select Delete or using the Delete option in the panel. Lastly, should you wish to revert to a previous version of your template, Elementor offers a revision history feature. It provides a list of saved states so you can effortlessly roll back any changes if needed. Editing an Elementor template is all about getting the layout to match your unique style and needs. With these flexible tools at your fingertips, your creative potential is virtually limitless. That wraps up our guide. Thanks for following along, and I hope you now feel empowered to make the most of your Elementor editing experience.